writing a novel. But you know what? I've been having the most terrible bout of writer's block lately. So I'm just wondering if you guys can maybe help me out. Can I get your least favorite color from somebody?
Kiwi.
Mauve. Okay, excellent. Now, can you tell me something that is either in your bag or purse or pocket tonight? An iPod. And also, if any of you are reading a novel right now, can you tell me what genre it is?
Sci-fi.
Sci-fi. So the mauve iPod, a sci-fi. Well, typewriter here, pretty old school. Anyways. Once upon a time, there was a man named Billy, and Billy was walking down the street when all of a sudden something fell from the sky and hit him in the head.
Oh! Fuck! Oh, man! What the hell was this?
A gentleman who just happened to be walking by got up because he was also knocked out by the object that fell from the sky.
Did you see that? What the hell was that?
I was that.
You mean you just fell from the sky?
On you and myself. Can you imagine? Holy crap!
I gotta call someone.
So he ripped out his iPod, which was also a phone, and he started calling people. It's an iPod phone, you know. And he called his friend Lester, and Lester came storming in from the car that he just drove up in.
Hi, Dr. Lester, I need you here right away. Someone just fell from the sky.
Hey, I'm here! What's going on?
Dr. Lester, this guy just fell.
From where?
The sky!
Ah, I see. Wow, he fell from the sky. He must be a Martian. He must be someone different from outer space. You've seen through my disguise.
It was true. He was a Martian named Extron 2000, and he was coming to Earth to take over.
Say, why are you here anyway?
Apparently to take over. I knew it! I'm with you! And you.
Extron 2000 had machine guns built into his arms, and he took them out and threatened to.
Don't shoot! Don't shoot! Please, no! We'll do anything you say, Extron! No.
Anything?
Extron was a merciful cyborg robot alien, and he decided he would give the two a chance if they would just perform one act for him.
I'll do anything! What will we do?
So Extron 2000 said,
Oh! I want you to recite a poem, and I want you to act it out. Then I shall be satisfied, and my vengeance will be appeased.
They didn't have such things like poetry, so this was really exciting to him to see.
There once was a doctor named Lester who got here so much faster that anyone thought could be true. He came here real quick, was a bit of a prick, but tried to appease you.
He was not happy, but he knew that he could do more. So he also liked musicals, but had never seen one performed for him in real life.
I need music. I need iPod music. From a mobile
That for the very first time, like a virgin, I got your sunshine on my mind.
I'm really not that impressed.